Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I completed. This one is spoken for, so it's not going to be listed on my Etsy. It's got a home to go to. So it's a nice big hardcover for signature. Oh, I can't remember how much it measures now, let me see. It's 8 1/4 by 5 3/4, and it has a 3-inch spine. We've got this lovely trim here on the spine and coming round onto the front and the back covers. It's got this rosette trim here. There is this some layering here of some gauze and a crocheted doily and a fabric flower. There's lots of stitching going on inside this journal. Eyelets and seam binding as a closure, and on the ends of all the threads of the signatures I've just done some bead dangles. See if you can see them. So they all dangle down there. So let's go inside. If I can do this. There we go. So the inside cover is just got some lined pattern paper, and most of the kit that I've used in this is from ARTYmaze, and it's her bird journals. So I will put a link below to ARTYmaze. So this kind of does lay flat. There's nice spacing in between the signatures to allow for some chunkiness when you add things to it. So I'm going to do a quick flip. Got a flip up corner here. There is some ephemera here from Tsunami Rose as well. Just making sure I'm in frame. These are Tsunami Rose, and they're from her Big Elements kit, and it's the monthly, it's the monthly calendars. So they can get taken out and moved around. There's some light stenciling throughout the journal. Here we've just got some, it's a little bit curled up there, some ephemera, some ARTYmaze, and this is Tsunami Rose. These are the file folders, but I just kind of trimmed the little bit off the edge. Doily, some music paper, paper bag, done some punching here. This is like a yarn, and it's just got threads hanging from it. This flips out for journaling, and a double mason jar. Centre of the signature, and that's the 2 bead dangles on there. Here we've got a pocket and a large tag, and a little journaling card there. So it's basically flowers and birds and butterflies. The other side of the paper bag, the other side of the music sheet, and the doily. Here we've just got an envelope, and you can tuck things inside there. This is just a little flip out. Some more ephemera. These are both from Tsunami Rose. That flips up. Oh, I thought I was going to sneeze then. The second signature. That was one of them sneezes that kind of half comes out and then just stops just as you're about to go achoo. Another journaling card there. Another monthly calendar. There's 4 of them, 1 in each signature. Here we've just got some more of these telegraph ephemera cards, and this is from the Hummingbird collection, which is a very pretty collection. Another pocket, some tags, a tag, little envelope, centre of the signature with these 2 beads on here. These can be taken off if you don't want them on there. Another envelope, another journaling card, Some more of that fluffy trim. Journaling card and ephemera. Well, double mason jar. I love this owl. And inside there's a journaling card that goes with it. And these all flip up, so I don't need to do that all the way through. This is a double. Oh, opens that way. Another monthly calendar there. Oops, a little bit sticky there. There we go. Some more journaling cards. These have all been backed onto doubled over coffee dyed paper and sewn on. Just makes them a little bit squishy. This flips out. Centre of this signature with these beads. Some more journaling cards. Another envelope and another flip out. A journaling card and another envelope here. And the fourth signature. Excuse me. Tag. Little flip out journaling card. Another envelope. Another monthly calendar. Paper bag, some more of that fluffy trim, another tag here and a telegram journaling card, the other beads, some tags, paper bag and another telegram here and a journaling card, and we're nearly at the end. Another tag, some ephemera, and that is the back. So that is the journal, and this is for hope I'm not destroying your name, it's Cinda. I probably have just destroyed your name, so I'm ever so sorry. So that is the journal, and this is my last make before Christmas. And I hope to get this video up real soon, but I've got so much to do, so if I don't get it up before Christmas, I do apologise. So there we go. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.